Smoke still rises from the sorrow that I buried yesterday, but the ground keeps cracking open, letting all my fears escape. Every promise that I whispered turned to dust along the way. Now I'm walking with the silence like it's got something to say. I got cold ash in my veins where the fire used to burn. Every lesson that I lived through is a lesson left unlearned. Yeah, the night keeps pulling harder, but I never seem to change. Guess I'm made of bitter embers and cold ash in my veins. There's a mirror in the hallway that won't look me in the eye. It remembers who I used to be before the blues ran me dry. Now my heartbeat feels like gravel and my hope's gone down the drain. Ain't no angel singing softly, just the rust of old remains. I got cold ash in my veins where the fire used to burn. Every shadow that surrounds me knows exactly where I've turned. Yeah, the night keeps digging deeper and the dark don't sound the same since I lost the spark inside me to cold ash in my veins. If regret could light a candle, I'd be glowing like the moon. But the blues don't grant forgiveness, they just hum a broken tune. I got cold ash in my veins and the weight is getting strong. Try to breathe a little mercy, but the night keeps holding on. So I wander through the shadows till the sorrow finally wanes. But I know I'll always carry that cold ash in my veins. Midnight's crawling from the alleys, cold wind whispering through my bones. City lights look tight and hollow, feels like every street is calling me alone. I hear footsteps in the silence, but I know they ain't ever coming back. Got a heart that's bruised and broken, carrying shadows on my back. Oh, these shadows on my back, they follow everywhere I roam. Try to leave them in the darkness, but they always drag me home. Yeah, the blues keep pouring heavy, like a storm that won't turn black. And no matter Friendship's a lie I can't deny. I keep searching for redemption, but the devil keeps staring in my eyes. Moonlight paints my faults in silver. Truth hits hard like a heart attack. Ain't no freedom in the distance, just these shadows on my back. Oh, these shadows on my back, they follow everywhere I roam. Try to leave them in the darkness, but they always drag me home. Yeah, the blues keep pouring heavy, like a storm that won't turn black. And no matter where I'm running, I got shadows on my back. And I prayed for just one sunrise that don't feel colder than the night. But the blues keep haunting my footsteps, and the dark won't give me back my life. All these shadows on my back, they cling like the weight of sin. I keep losing every battle to the ghosts I hold within. Yeah, the blues keep rolling steady, tracks I'll never paint to black. So I walk this road forever with these shadows on my back. Night breeze curling like a whispered sin. Cold color razor let the shadows in. Moonlight dripping on the empty street. Every corner bows beneath my feet. Slow rhythm beating from the city's chest. I walk steady, never pressed. There's smoke in my footsteps and quiet in my bones. Low dark blues that only midnight knows. I move like a secret no one dares to chase. A gentleman of silence in the night's embrace. The dark strings murmur in the distant haze. Bass line humming like a wolf that prays. Piano echo through the dim lit air. Soft but heavy with the truth I bear. Shadows fall back when I take the lead. Confidence is all I need. And there's smoke in my footsteps and quiet in my bones. A low dark blues that only midnight knows. I move like a secret no one dares to chase. A gentleman of silence in the night's embrace. No turmoil in my heart tonight. just a calm that cuts through city lights. Every breath a slow command, every step a line I stand. And quiet in my bones, a low dark blues that only midnight knows. Walking with a purpose, leaving shadows laced, a gentleman of silence in the night's embrace. Night falls gently on the ground, soft winds move without a sound. My silhouette begins to sway, following the rhythm of the stray. A distant hum beneath the street syncs itself with my heartbeat. Every corner calls my name in quiet tones that never fade. And I feel the world slow down as shadows wrap around this town. No need to hurry where I'm bound. The night is where my peace is found. These whispered footsteps lead me through a darker path, a deeper truth. No shining light, no crowded view, just me and shadows moving smooth. I walk the night with steady grace, no fear to meet what I must face. These whispered footsteps softly trace a quiet strength I can't replace. Guitar strings tremble in the mist, notes fade out like a fading kiss. A mellow pulse from underground guides my stride without a sound. The city sleeps, but still it breathes. Its stories drift between the eaves. And though the dark surrounds me tight, I feel at home within its quiet light. The silence speaks in subtle ways, through distant echoes, hidden haze. I let it guide each move I make, a calm no daylight ever wastes. These whispered footsteps lead me through a darker path, a deeper truth. No shining light, no crowded view, just me and shadows moving smooth. I walk the night with steady grace, no fear to meet what I must face. These whispered footsteps softly trace a quiet strength I can't replace. Every secret that the night unveils floats softly on the midnight trace. I breathe it in, I let it be a part of who I'm meant to see. No need to chase what fades away. Some truths appear only in gray. So I keep walking slow and sure, in shadows where my thoughts mature. And as the night begins to thin, I feel its pulse beneath my skin. These whispered footsteps never fade. They stay with me beyond the shade. The night draws lines across the ground, thin silhouettes that move around. I take a step, the world stays still, a quiet rhythm bending to my will. A low hum rises from below, like secrets only shadows know. It pulls me deeper with each beat, into the calm beneath my feet. And every breath is cold and slow, a whispered tale the dark bestows. I let it lead, I let it set the pace of my midnight silhouette. Midnight silhouettes follow me through empty streets of memory. Soft echoes dance behind my stride, as if the night walks by my side. No rushing pulse, no sudden threat, just me and my midnight silhouette. A gentle groove, a steady thread, where silence speaks the words unsaid. A shadowed guitar breaks the air, one trembling note then disappears. The city sleeps yet stays aware of every move I make out here. The bass creeps close with velvet weight, slow motion heartbeat in the haze. And though the darkness hides my face, it frames me with a subtle grace. The night reveals what light forgets, in quiet tones and soft duets. I feel the truth the dark protects within my midnight silhouette. Midnight silhouettes follow me through empty streets of memory. Soft echoes dance behind my stride, as if the night walks by my side. No rushing pulse, no sudden threat, just me and my midnight gentle groove, a steady thread, where silence speaks the words unsaid. Every whisper down the block feels like time has paused the clock. I move slow, I move refined, alone outline the night design. Maybe I'm meant to walk this way through drifting smoke and muted gray, where shadows form a quiet net and cradle every silhouette. So let the dark embrace my path, I bow to its unspoken cast. As long as moon and street lights met, I'll walk as one with silhouettes. Midnight drips across the concrete, soft echoes follow where I lead. My shadow dances at my feet, moving slow but dignified and sleek. A quiet hum beneath my breath, like whispers rising from the depth. The city sighs in muted tones, yet somehow feels like it's my own. And every heartbeat finds its place within the calm of empty space. No rush to chase what I don't know, I let the night control the flow. These midnight steps, they carry me through silent streets and memories. A gentle pulse beneath the dark, a steady rhythm in my heart. No hesitation in my stride, I walk with shadows by my side. These midnight steps, they never lie. They keep me grounded, keep me alive. A distant chord just fades in slow, guitar like smoke that starts to glow. Reverb drifting through the air, as if a ghost is standing there. The pavement feels like beating drums, soft thumps of where I'm moving from. And though the night is cold and still, it warms me with an unseen will. Oh, and every secret that I hear becomes a truth the dark makes clear. The quiet speaks in subtle ways, guiding me through hidden haze. These midnight steps, they carry me through silent streets and memories. A gentle pulse beneath the dark, steady rhythm in my heart. No hesitation sign leads me closer to the line, where the quiet holds the truth, where the old confronts the youth. I'll keep walking slow and sure. In the dark I feel secure. So let these steps continue on till the last of night is gone. Even then I'll hear the song of midnight steps that lead me strong. On quiet streets without a word, city lights whisper, barely heard. My footsteps slow but steady still, following a trail the night reveals. Shadows moving on the wall, as if they know just where I'll fall. Something waits beyond the haze, yet I remain calm in my pace. And the night breathes softly now, silent yet it tells me how. I just let the moment flow, no need for answers, I don't know. I keep walking in the shadow, don't need the light to find the road. Long roads ringing through the quiet, guiding me with gentle riot. Steps are slow but full of presence, no rush, no doubts, no interference. I stay collected, keep my balance. In this darkness I find solace. A distant guitar starts to sigh, soft like a whisper passing by. The night holds secrets of its own, but I'm not shaken as I walk alone. The bass line trembles deep inside, pushing me forward in the quiet tide. Every mystery in its place, wrapped in the stillness I embrace. And as time keeps spinning round, I stay grounded on the ground. There is beauty in the blur, only silence can uncover. I keep walking in the shadow, don't need the light to find the road. Long roads ringing through the quiet. a candle burning low tonight, shadows twisting on the floor. I can hear a cold breath whisper creeping right beneath my door. Every heartbeat sounds like trouble, every memory aches like war. I've been running from my darkness, but it found me like before. There's a devil at my doorstep, and he knows my name too well. He's been knocking on my weakness like he's ringing some old bell. I keep praying for forgiveness, but the night just won't restore. Yeah, the devil's at my doorstep, and he ain't leaving anymore. I remember when the daylight used to lay warm on my skin, but the blues have long abandoned every place I've ever been. Now the silence feels like thunder, and the truth cuts deep like steel. Got a soul that's torn and tattered, and a heart I barely feel. There's a devil at my doorstep, and he knows my name too well. He's been knocking on my weakness like he's ringing some old bell. I keep praying for forgiveness, but the night just won't restore. Yeah, the devil's at my doorstep, and he ain't leaving anymore. And the darkness keeps on humming like a hymn I used to know, but the words feel cold and empty, and the tune's too tired to grow. Smell of sulfur on the floor. He keeps staring at my shadow like he's seen me here before. Ain't no savior in the distance, ain't no light to beg for more. So I face the devil's footsteps as he walks back through my door. By the weight of the load, sky's bleeding red like a promise undone, and the night keeps whispering I'll never outrun. There's a cold wind crawling under my skin, telling stories about the bones of my sin. I'm a man made of shadows and heavy regret, and the deeper I wander, the darker it gets. On this black river road, where the lost souls go, every mile I take feels colder, every truth I know grows older. Ain't no mercy in the night, ain't no hand to hold, just the sound of my heart breaking. keeps fighting like a dog on a chain, dragging me back through the dust and the rain. I've cried out loud, but the sky don't hear. I've bled my pride for another lost year, and the blues cling tight like a lover gone wrong, turning every grave to a sorrow-soaked song. On this black river road, where the lost souls go, every mile I take feels colder, every truth I know grows older. Ain't no mercy in the night, ain't no hand to hold, just the echo of my footsteps on this black river road. Some say pain will teach you wisdom, but all it taught me was the fall. And the river keeps on whispering, you ain't running from this at all. On this black river road, where the broken hearts go, I keep walking through the darkness, though I lost my fire long ago. Every dream I ever carried feels too heavy now to hold, so I fade into the silence on this black river road. Midnight drips across the concrete, soft echoes follow where I lead. My shadow dances at my feet, moving slow but dignified and sleek. A quiet hum beneath my breath, like whispers rising from the dead. The city sighs in muted tones, yet somehow feels like it's my own. And every heartbeat finds its place within the calm of empty space. No rush to chase what I don't know, I let the night control the flow. These midnight steps, they carry me through silent streets and memories, a gentle pulse beneath the dark, a steady rhythm in my heart. No hesitation in my stride, I walk with shadows by my side. These midnight steps, they never lie, they keep me grounded, keep me alive. A distant chord just fades in slow, its heart like smoke that starts to glow. if a ghost is standing in there. The pavement feels like beating drums, soft thumps of where I'm moving from. And though the night is cold and still, it warms me with it unseen will. And every secret that I hear becomes a truth the dark makes clear. The quiet speaks in subtle ways, guiding me through hidden haze. These midnight steps, they carry me through silent streets and memories. A gentle pulse beneath the dark, a steady rhythm in my heart. No hesitation in my stride, I walk with shadows by my side. These midnight steps, they never lie. They keep me grounded, keep me alive. If the night decides to stay, I won't ask it to fade away. Every echo, every sign leads me closer to the line, where the quiet holds the truth, where the old confronts the youth. I'll keep walking, slow and sure. In the dark, I'll feel secure. So let these steps continue on until the last of night is gone. Even then I'll hear the song of midnight steps that lead me strong. My time, no need to fight. The city hums a quiet tune, moving slow beneath the moon. A low bass tremble fills the air, like secrets drifting everywhere. My footsteps echo soft and low, aligned with the winds that gently blow. And every breath I take tonight feels like a rhythm wrapped in night. I follow where the shadows lead, no urgency, no need for speed. In the shadow tempo I move steady, slow but certain, calm and ready. No blazing light, no crowded street, just whispered beats beneath my feet. Shadow tempo guiding me through quiet corners I can't see. I walk with poise, I walk with flow, to the rhythm only darkness knows. A distant tremolo fades in, guitar like smoke upon my skin. Piano murmurs soft and light, as if it's breathing with the night. The city's heartbeat syncs with mine, impulses subtle, undefined. I drift with every gentle sway, letting silence pave the way. And as the world grows still again, I feel the calm beneath my veins. A hidden melody unfolds in every shadow that I hold. In the shadow tempo I move steady, slow but certain, calm and ready. No blazing light, no crowded street, just whispered beats beneath my feet. Shadow tempo guiding me through quiet corners I can't see. I walk with poise, I walk with flow, to the rhythm only darkness knows. I hear the night breathe through the cracks, a lullaby behind my tracks. Every rustle, every tone turns this darkness into home. No need to rush where I belong. The night and I move just as one, like dancers drifting through the glow of this eternal shadow tempo. Through the dark, with steady steps and quiet heart. As long as moonlight's drifting slow, I'll follow this calm.